What are the healthiest foods to eat in 2022? There are many reasons why one would want to eat healthier in 2022. From the fact that people are now more aware of the nutrition they put into their bodies to the changing weather patterns and food insecurity around the world. In 2022, we will see a rise in vegan and vegetarian diets as well as a major decrease in processed foods like red meat and sugary drinks. With an increase of plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu and nuts, we will see an increase in meatless meats. The world is becoming more health conscious, which means that there is a rise in demand for healthy foods. People are also becoming more aware of food production methods, animal welfare, sustainability, etc., which means more people are choosing to buy organic produce over conventional produce. What are the healthiest foods to eat in 2022? The worst thing is that we don't know what the best food for us and what the worst is in 2016, and we will not know until 2022. What we do know is that there's a lot of information available to us about which foods are good for you and which ones aren't. By 2022, there might be even more information available about which foods are best for you. What are the health benefits of eating healthy foods? The human body needs healthy food to function properly. Some benefits of eating healthier include improved mental health, better sleep, lower body weight, and preventing illness. A healthy diet can help you lose weight and prevent illnesses, all while improving your mood and quality of life. Eating healthier has become more attainable than ever before. Some people think that eating healthy foods will hurt their wallet, but the truth is that fresh fruits and vegetables are often cheaper than processed snacks. Eating healthier can also help you save money because you'll end up spending less on healthcare in the long run. How can I understand what my body needs? One of the biggest challenges when trying to eat right is understanding what your body needs. This is especially true when you are in college or work in a job that requires you to stay on your feet all day. Knowing that carbs are our best fuel source, it's important to remember that not all carbs are created equal when it comes to what kind of fuel they provide. Some people like low-fat milk while others like skim milk better. Some people enjoy the taste of coffee while others will never touch this drink again. The easiest way to follow a healthy diet. The best way to follow a healthy diet is through a balanced diet. We should not think of these AI writers as a replacement for human copywriters. They just provide assistance to the content writers by getting rid of writer's block and generating content ideas at scale. Eating healthy is not always easy. It demands commitment, discipline, and dedication. But it is always worth it in the end. This video focuses on the importance of eating healthy foods and how to make diet changes for a healthier life. The video also addresses how to maintain a diet with an overview of some common mistakes people do when they are trying to lose weight. It discusses what you can do in order to stick with your weight loss goals for the long-term cycle of success. Finally, it includes some recommendations for healthy foods that you can eat regularly in order to stay energized and satisfied throughout the day. If you would like to learn more about this topic, please leave a comment and click on some links below this video.
We really hope you got some value from this video. Please like it, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you won't miss our next videos. Wellness is life. Thank you.